everyone, and welcome. In this video we will be practicing how to use can and can't. So let's start. We use the word can when we talk about something we are able to do. It means we know how to do it, or it is possible for us. Examples: I can read. I know how to read because I learned in school and practiced a lot as a child. I can draw. I know how to draw because I practiced every day. I can cook. I am able to cook because my mom taught me. Can has multiple meanings and uses. 1. Skills, things you learn. 2. Possibility, when something is possible now. Examples: I can swim. I know how to swim because I took swimming classes. I can go to the park today. I know I can go because the weather is nice. We use the word can't when we talk about something we are not able to do. It means we don't know how, or it is not possible for us. Examples: I can't drive. I can't drive because I don't have a driver's license. I can't sing. I can't sing because I have a weak voice. I can't come. I can't come because I have to work. Can't has multiple meanings and uses. 1. You don't have the skill. 2. Something is not possible. Examples: I can't speak French. I can't speak French because I never learned it. I can't run. I can't run because I hurt my leg. Let's practice. I can dance. I can't dance. I can talk. I can't talk. I can sleep. I can't sleep. I can work. I can't work. I can eat. I can't eat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more English videos. See you next time.